Okay, we're going to take out the twin otter today before the rain. It's supposed to rain for about 4 days, so it's going to be a pain in the butt to fly. We'll get it. We'll get her going. Okay, she's all ready. Here we go. This thing flies so nicely. I love this plane. She's a quick little thing. It's a great plane. This is my second twin otter. The first one I gave to my daughter. This one here is my second one. She's all beat up as well. It's mostly glue and tape. But look how it flies great. I have a brand new one in the house. I'll take that one out once this one here is totally unflyable. But she's flying pretty good still. Very nice plane. Beautiful plane, flies great, even beat up. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Timer's done. Coming for a landing. Nice. That is one great flying plane. Lands phenomenally too. Perfect plane. Look how beat up it is. It's mostly taped and glued. Even the wing is cracked here. But she still flies. It's unbelievable. That's why I bought another one. This one's going to be going soon, I think. I mean, really. It's like falling apart. But it still flies. Okay, that was the twin otter today in the yard before the rain. We're supposed to get some rain for about 4 days. Thunderstorms and everything. So we'll see if we can do some flying or can. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.